There are so many people leaving school, but there are no jobs. But we need people who can come out here and create those jobs. Because if you train me to be a welder and I start welding there, I will employ others to be welders. It will be extremely ill-advised to convert any TVET institution into a university. Universities are best for teaching managers, teaching high-level thinkers. But here at TVET, we are not training necessarily to become a manager. You become a hands-on person. Now you can move on from being a hands-on person to become, now you graduate, you become a manager. If the government of Kenya has done anything good, is expansion of the TVET industry. How much money has the government put? I think they have put massive resources because we have vocational training centers in nearly every location in the country.
I'm studying a certificate in electrical engineering. What really motivated me to do this course? Number one is passion, and so far so good. It has been so good. I thank God for this far. It hasn't been a smooth journey, but I thank God I made it.